Hi, Adegbola. Can you hear me? Adegbola. Hope I pronounce that very well. Can you hear me? Oh, you are yet to join with your mic. You need to join with your mic so you can hear me. Hi, Alicia, are you there? Hello, Alicia, are you there? Okay, these guys are yet to join with your mic. All right, so guys, hi, Olushi. If you can see me, you can hear me actually, but you need to join with your mic so you can hear me, Adebola, the same thing, right? So you need to join with your mic so that you can be able to hear us, right? So I don't know who is iPhone. Yeah, the guy or the other person has dropped. I can't help from here, but you need to join with your mic. Hi, Olushi, if you can hear me. So you need to join with your mic so they can, can enjoy the session. All right, so Latif, you can just mute yourself now that yeah, I've done that. Thanks very much. Okay. I don't know how I can tell the expressive. Okay, let me use a chart to do that. Okay. Hi, yeah. Okay. Hi.
In progress. Ọmọ yẹn tó lè gba ìwé nọ́mà.
I think he has joined with his mic now.
All right, so yeah, yes, he has done that. He has done that. But it's only one person, that's Olushi. Okay. Okay, so we have done that. Olushi, please, if you can use the chat section to see that I type something, that would be great. So we need you to hear us. So because that's actually the benefit of what we'll be doing here today. All right, guys, welcome to it's actually the first episode, right? Welcome to the first episode of Battle It Out with Amdor. Okay, I don't know if you have seen this thing somewhere. I don't know if you have seen it somewhere, but it's gonna be an amazing one. Yeah, you're getting it from Amdor Analytics because Amdor Analytics is bringing it out to you, for you to learn something amazing today, something great. We are here to, it's not about actually. We're here to challenge ourselves, and then for you as well to learn what we are doing here. All right, so it's going to be an amazing one, and we welcome you guys to the first episode of Battle It Out with Amdor. Okay, I and my colleague here, we are here to do something amazing, something great, something something fantastic. I don't know if you have seen it anywhere, but it's something fantastic that we are going to be doing here. We are going to be challenging ourselves. So I and Sandra, we are going to be challenging ourselves. Now, of course, it's not that really big challenge, right? We want to test our abilities with data cleaning. Want to test our proficiency, but we know that we are experts. Take note, we are experts. Okay, we know what we are doing. All right, so welcome to this session. It's going to be an amazing one, just like I said. I'm going to introduce myself, and then my colleague we introduce ourselves, and then we dive into the section. But then welcome everybody for those joining us from Nigeria, outside Nigeria. We all welcome you to this session. All right, so my name is Chukwuka Shinyere, and I'm a data scientist, I'm a data analyst, and I'm the founder of Amdor Analytics. Okay, that's just it about me. Of course, over the years we've been doing this, we've been doing something amazing, something great. Yeah, we've been helping individuals to acquire tech skills. We're helping others, right? Yeah, especially people that have no prior knowledge about all these things. We help them to acquire tech skills, and we have personally I've trained over 5,000 people. All right. All right. So thank you very much for joining us. Today we are going to be saying the amazing thing now. how we are going to transform a data set. All right, so over to you, Sandra.
Hi, Sherry. Hi, everybody. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Sakalati, Fadegbola, Olushi, Augustine, Hashdeep, Shidi Bele. Good evening to each and every one of you. We're so glad to have you join us for the first episode of Battle It Out with Amdor Analytics. So I don't know, can you guys hear me very well? Can I be heard? Okay,
Yes,
I
I
hope I'm
can
not
hear you.
breaking.
No, I
I
can hear
cannot
you.
break because I do not want my opponents to win
No,
me.
we can hear you very well.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, so my name is Sandra Shagade. I'm a data analyst, Power BI developer, data analytics instructor, and also I have had the opportunity to work with clients from diverse sectors where I've helped them make better use of their data, help them understand their data better. And I've also had the opportunity and privilege to tutor over 200 persons. And it's nice doing this with Chinyere. I'm so excited for this one. And I'm sure that you guys are going to learn a lot when it comes to data cleaning, because if you see this data that we're about to work on today, just be praying for us, okay? Okay. And yes, so let me just briefly introduce what Battle It Out with Amdor is all about. Okay. So we've all seen data challenges. We've seen dashboard challenges where people submit their dashboard, the winner is announced. So yeah, at Battle It Out with Amdor Analytics, what we want to achieve or what we hope to achieve is that people, not just beginners, okay? So beginners, professionals, everyone, every data enthusiast can come together in this space, not just to have fun, but also to learn and to network. You get to meet other people, you get to learn new things, basically. There are some things that you think you know, right? When you see your opponent doing another thing, you're like, okay, this is something new. So that is one of our main or that's one of the main purpose of Battle It Out with Amdor. And we do hope that this first episode is going to be thrilling, is going to be insightful for each and every one of you. Okay, so back to you, Chinyere.
All right, thanks very much for that, Sandra. Thanks for that a brief introduction. Sandra said that it's not a space for the analytics tutors. Okay, it's a space for everybody. So tomorrow we might call you, invite you over, come and challenge yourself, right? Come and show us that your skills, come and prove to us that you know it, right? So that's how it's going to be. You are going to be seeing us and it's going to be an amazing one. We are here to have fun. If you ask me, I'll tell you that I'm here to have fun, right? All right, so the data set
Did
we are
you
going to be
copy me?
working with.
Why are you putting on black?
You-
I don't understand.
No, I didn't copy you. Okay, we didn't
It's
plan it,
fine.
but most times I'm always on white, I'm the analytics white. But I decided to put on black today. I didn't copy
Ha,
you.
it's fine. Okay.
Okay. All right. I did.
More
I
like
did
Black
say
Widow.
that. Women in black style.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. All right. So guys, we're going to dive into this session now, but there's something I want us to note. We have two teams, right? We have team Amber and team Mox. All right. We don't know who is Amber. Okay, we know
let me
ourselves
just
who
type
Amber
that
is.
in the chat. Team Amber and Team Moss.
Okay, we have how many? We have few people, but then yeah, just support your favorite. I don't know who we know who Amber is, and we know who Moss is, right? So pick one. So we want this session to be very interactive. We are here to have fun. We are not here to, to start asking you, do you understand? Yeah, we're going to ask you, do you understand, actually? But then it's actually just, when you are having fun, when you are learning, it makes it more easy for you to understand, okay? Now, we have Team Amber and Team Moss. We know who Moss is, we know who Amber is, right? So I need you because at the end, we are going to have a champion. Yeah. Data champion. So I have not seen this data. It's not that I gave me this data this evening, no.
I have also not seen the data. I just gave it to you. It's not like
So,
I've worked on it.
so, so dear people of God, all right? So I need you to do something. Let's do something amazing. Support your own. I don't know. Just pick. Is it that you type A? Okay, let's do it this. You type R or O, right? If you know you are supporting Team Amber, type A. Type A. If you are supporting Team O, Team Mox, type M. Okay, M. Type M if you are supporting Mox. If you are supporting Team A, Team Amber, type A. Okay, M. A. No, no, no. Okay, yeah. Thanks very much. A or M. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Who are you supporting? Only one person type something. No, 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 no. Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
All right, guys, type. We have A, we have M. So who are you supporting? Who are you supporting? So everybody, we need you to type because at the end, anybody that has the highest votes, we go first. So we need you to do something, okay? Just type. Who are you supporting? Are you supporting Team A or Team M? So we just have three. I don't know if it's just me. Okay, we have 3 persons. Okay, 4. All right, so let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, guys, because it's equal now. Right, so help us to do this so that
No,
we can
no,
start.
I don't think
Okay,
it's equal now. No, no, no. It's not equal.
are you
Ah.
sure?
Ooh,
No, no,
ooh.
no, don't type AM. Is either you type A or you type M. Okay, let's go. Let me count. We have 1, M, 3. We have 2A. So this person that type AM, so we don't know where you belong to. Is either you type A or you type M. Okay. Amdor. Okay, this
I
person
think she
is
meant
supporting
Amber.
A. Yeah,
Hmm.
so we have 3A, 3M. So how many are we? He is the imposter. I did my beg. All right, so
Please,
let's
you
go,
guys
let's
should.
go.
Please, oh, I
Let's
don't want
go,
to start
let's
first.
go, let's go.
I don't want to be the scapegoat. So please, keep
At the
let's keep
end, you're
typing,
going to
okay?
start first. At the end, you're going to start first.
Why
Dear
am I
people
the
of
one to
God.
start first? Why should
Dear
I be the
people
one
of
to
God,
start
just
first?
like I said, right? So my colleague here, she called me this evening and she gave me this data. Oh yeah, come. Come, oh, we are going to do something. We want to battle with you. So, okay, let's do something, guys. We have just few seconds, okay? If not, Sada will go first. Yeah. So we have 20 minutes
Please.
for whoever that is going first, okay? Okay, so we have three individuals that voted, while I know that we are more than that here. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, so okay, sometimes we go first. Okay.
Is it because I'm not that gave you this data?
It's not
Because I gave
because
you
of
this
that.
data does not mean that I have not seen, I just saw it and I was like, okay, this is a good data for us to, to start this episode with. But it's fine. It's fine. So I'm going to be the sacrificial lamb anyways. Okay, so I'll be
Okay,
going
so
first.
thing is 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to time it here. So we have 20 minutes for you to work on your data. All right, guys, so we are doing this together. She's going to share her screen and it takes us for 20 minutes. Don't forget, put down your
Teach
question.
you.
Put down your...
I am literally sweating right now.
You can't be
Because,
sweating.
yes, I'm sweating.
You can't be sweating. Okay, so 20 minutes. You're starting 6:15. 6:15. So we
Okay,
are counting
so
time.
guys, I only have 20 minutes, okay? And
Mhm.
first of all, I'm going to show you what the data looks like. And for this, I'm going to be using Microsoft Power BI, okay? Because I actually love Microsoft Power BI, so I'm going to be using that. So I'm going to share my screen. Just hold on. Okay. All right. So this is what the data looks like while I explain it to. So this is what the data looks like. Okay. So this data is a transaction data. It has customer name. It has product, price, quantity, date of purchase, payment method, discounts applied, region, and customer feedback. So now we are doing data cleaning, right? And before you say you want to begin any data analysis, because when I go over to the next worksheet, I have a task. All right, so I have a task. I have 7 tasks here. But then I am not able to analyze these things. I am not able to get these results. The reason is because my data is dirty. The first task says, what is the total revenue across all regions? And when I check, right, to get the revenue, I have to calculate price. I have to multiply the price by the quantity, okay? And also subtract the discount from it. But then when I check the price column, okay, so this is the price column. When I check the price column, something is going on here. There are inconsistency in or the price column, the values in the price column, they are inconsistent. We have some values, we have some text. So what do I need to do? So very soon you are going to see that. I think I have 19 minutes more or 18 minutes more. So let me just be fast with that. Okay, so I'm going to open my Power BI. And I'll just open a blank report. Okay. All right, so I'm going to get the data. The data itself is an Excel data. So I'm going to get my Excel workbook data. And then I am going to go to where my data is. Clean it or leave it. If you can't clean it, then you leave it. I hope my opponent is listening to me. If you can't clean it, you leave it. All right. So same thing for myself. If I can't clean it in 20 minutes, then I have to leave it. Okay, but I hope I'm able to. I really don't like the fact that I'm going first. Yeah, because I'm currently the scapegoat. Okay, so I'm going to select the dirty data and go to transform data. In Power BI, you want to clean your data. Where do you go? You go to transform data because that is what will enable you to clean your data effectively. Okay. All right. So whenever you click on transform data, it brings you to the Power Query editor. And from here, you can start making your changes, your data cleaning. So there is something that I observed here in the transaction ID. We can see that the transaction ID is TRX underscore, then the numbers. But something is happening here. For 2 transactions, I don't know what happened. They are not aligned. Like the values are inconsistent. So what I'm going to do here is basically just change these values, since we have TRX underscore. So I'm going to replace 6 with, so before I do that, I'm going to change the data type because the data type here is not changed. So this is not correct actually. So I'm going to change it to a text, not number. Then I am going to replace the value. The value I want to replace, I really hope I'm able to do this in the space of 20 minutes. I think I have 15 minutes more. Okay, so the value I want to find is 6 and I want to replace with TRX underscore 006. Okay. And I also want to replace number 10 with TRX underscore 010. Okay, so I'm replacing 10 with TRX underscore 010. Okay. Okay, so what else do I need to clean? All right. You know, people usually ask this question, like, how do I know what to clean? I think I've gotten that question a lot of times. How do I know what to clean in my data? Here is how you know what to clean in your data. When you get your data, you have to check column by column to know what you are to clean. Okay, so I've checked. You can see that I'm going column by column. In the customer name, I do not have anything that I need to clean. All the customer names are correct. Okay, then the products, when I check, I can see that something is happening. Right? Even the case are not the same. We have some uppercase, we have some lowercase or small case and all of that. So I need to change that. Okay. And I can also see something here. I can see LPTP, which means laptop. So that was an error from whoever entered this data. So I'm going to replace LPTP with laptop. Okay. So I'm going to replace that LPTP with laptop. Okay, what else do I need to do? So I need to change the case. So I think I need everything to each word to have their first character capitalized. So I'm going to transform it and capitalize each word. Okay, so let's see. Wow. So we actually had just 3 products. Okay, so that's interesting. Then the price. Then the price, some are numbers, some are text, so we would need to change that. So first of all, I'm going to change this to text so that I can be able to do that. Okay, so I can see 1200 and 800. Okay, I'm going to change that. So I'll replace 1200 with 1200. Okay, and then I'm also going to replace 800 with 800. So we have, okay, with 800 and okay. All right, I think we are done with that. Okay, then we have the quantity column. Some are in numbers, some are in text. So we need to change that also. Okay, and just quickly, I'm going to turn all of these to lowercase so that it will be easy for me to replace them. All right, so replace 2 with 2 and replace 3 with 3. Okay. Okay, so we have dates of purchase, right? Some are dates. If I change this to a date, I am going to have an error because all right, so because the other dates were not written properly. Okay, so before that, I'll change this to text. Okay, then lowercase. So I'm just going to copy this. 1st February 2023. 1st February 2023. Okay. All right. 1st February 2023. All right, so February is the 2nd month, of course. So the 1st of February 2023. Okay, then we have May 30th. Okay. All right, so May is the 5th month, 30th of May 2023. Then we have June 31st, 2023. Okay. So June is the 6th month, 31st, 2023. Okay, so let me see if I can change this to a date now. Okay. Okay, I'm having an error. So I'm going to come back to, let's see, why am I having that error? Oh, wow. Okay. All right, so June does not have a 31st day, obviously. So that is the mistake. Okay. All right, so I'll change it to a date. Good. Okay, payment method, I can see that we have cash, credit card, PayPal. Okay. So I'm just going to replace the values, but first of all, I'll turn them to lowercase because I want everything to be fast. Okay, so CC, it means credit card.
8 minutes to go.
Sorry?
8 minutes.
No, it's not 8 minutes. 8 minutes to go. Please don't confuse me. Okay, then we have cash. Okay, so cash. Oh, wow, that's true. 8 minutes to go. Okay, so cash means cash, of course. So I'm not going to change that. Okay. So CRD underscore card. That is credit card. Okay. 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 Okay, so how many do we have now? So let's see. So we have cash. Oh, wow. I tried. Even if I did not complete this, I tried, okay? Even if I did not complete it, I tried. 20 minutes was too little. So discount applied. I'm going to come back to this. All right. Let me transform the region. Okay. So we have east, north. I can see some spellings that are not correct. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so for customer feedback, I think I saw something that said, what percentage of transactions have positive versus negative feedback based on words like good, bad, excellent? So we know that if a feedback has good in, like if a customer commented good or excellent, it means it's positive, or great, it means it's positive. So I'm going to work with that. Okay, I'm just going to add a conditional column. Okay, so feedback. So if the customer feedback contains good, is positive. Okay, if it contains excellent, it's also positive. Okay, if it contains great, it is positive. Okay, so we have bad. Okay, so if it contains bad, it's negative. Let's see. If it contains slow, it's negative. Okay. Sherry, I have opened the way for
2
you. I know
minutes.
that
2
I'm still
minutes.
going to beat you. I know that I'm still going to
Never.
win.
Yeah, that's.
I don't know why the time is so fast. Okay, so I'm left with region. Sorry, discount applied. So we have some 10%. We have some in percentages. We have some as values. Wow, this is going to be a lot. Okay, but let's see what I can achieve before my time is up. I tried, okay? So please, you guys should applaud me. I really tried. In 20 minutes, I was able to do this. Please. Okay, so 10% discount. Okay. I hope I don't sleep here. Okay, so 10%. 10%. Sorry. Okay.
A minute, ma. Okay, let's celebrate Sunday. That's amazing.
Please don't
A minute
celebrate me
more.
yet. Don't celebrate me yet. I'm not done. I will not give up until let me keep on trying. I'm not going to give up.
As you complete your 1 minute, 1
So,
minute, 10 seconds, 20
please.
seconds.
Okay.
Oh, time out, time out, time out, time out.
No,
Thank
my
you,
time
thank
is
you,
still
thank
showing.
you.
Can't you see my time? It's
No,
still showing
no, it's
6:34.
20 minutes. So no, it's 20
No,
minutes. 20 minutes.
we
It's
started
20
late.
minutes is complete. It's
You know we started late. When you said that we should start 15, that my time starts 15. Do you remember that time? We started late. Okay, fine. But I tried. So please applaud me because I really tried. All of this in 20 minutes. I mean, I could have gone
oh,
far
yeah.
if not that somebody was distracting me. I could have
No
actually
one
gone.
distracted you. No one distracted you, ma.
You were distracting me. I could not concentrate. And I was trying to balance everything. All
Okay,
right.
guys.
That is it,
So,
guys.
guys,
That is it, guys.
let's celebrate Sandra. That's amazing. That's fantastic. Very, yeah. Thank
It's
you very
fine.
much for that. Thank you very much.
It's
I
fine. It's
really,
fine.
yeah.
It's fine. Let's see what
Thank you,
you
guys.
yourself you can do. Let's see what you
Okay,
can.
somebody say Team Mox. Oh yeah, type Team Mox. Type Team Mox. I'm the Team Mox. Sandra is Team Amber. I'm Team Mox. If you know that you're supporting me now, or bring the vibes now, bring the vibes. Type Team Mox. I will not start until you type. Or type Team Mox. Or type Mox. MO Yes. Yeah, that's my guy, HD. HD is here to always support me. So, how many people are supporting me now? Type Team Moss, let's go. Max, yeah.
Sorry, please.
My people.
I just took my time to show you guys something. I put typing Team Moss. I took my time.
Type Team Max. Type Team Max. If you are supporting me, yeah.
It's fine.
Type Team Max. Almost said that you are not supporting me. Me of all people, you are not supporting me. Okay. Almost said that is supporting Team Amber, but that's fine. Okay. Akisa is supporting Team Amber. That's fine. He didn't type anything. Adebola is supporting Team Amber. That's fine. So only how many people are supporting me? Don't mind Omosede. She is imposter. Atiba beg. All right, so guys, nice one. Thank you very much for that wonderful data cleaning. Team A, you try very well. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
of course she
Thank
did.
you
Oh,
very
she did.
much.
I'll not lie, she did. Now let's go. Team Amber has tried her own, right? Team Moss is here. You there? Adip is here to ginger me up. Now these ones, my people, I don't know. Let's go. Sandra, let's wait till when it is 40 minutes. I will know that my 30 minutes is complete so
Are
that
you
you not shit
proceeding?
me.
Are you
So that
guys
you
saying?
not shit me. No, I will not start.
I will be the one to set your time. Don't worry. Start. Wait. Okay, let's make when it is 6:40 actually. So please, guys, if you have any
So you not
questions,
shit me. Yeah. So guys,
if you have any
I don't
questions, you
know.
can.
Are you enjoying this session? Are you enjoying it? Just tell us. I don't know. For me, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. But let's hear from you. Are you enjoying it? Okay, yes, from hashtag. Adif is my real G. He's here to judge me, Oh yeah, okay, Adebola and Ade. All right. Okay, Adebola is enjoying it. Uju Nwokedi, can we hear from you? Are you enjoying this session? We're having fun here. We're here to catch clues. By next time, it might be you. Yeah, it might be you. And then, of course, a winner, like today's winner, is going to go home with $10, right? So, and you guys know that it's me that will be the winner. So, yeah, so let me share my screen so that Sandra will not go on. So my colleague used Excel, right? So use Power BI. So let's try another. I don't know if you don't mind. Okay, let's
Let me
try
not say
another.
anything. Let me just keep my mouth shut.
Let's try another software. So wait. Let's try another software. Okay, so this is Excel. I'm going to use Excel. So of course I can use Power BI, but let's try another thing. So for you to know that this thing we have done using Excel, I actually plan to use Power BI, but since she has used Power BI, so let me use Excel. All right, so this thing that we know that, okay, we've done it using Excel. Can we actually Power BI? Can we do the same thing inside Excel? Okay, let's see if we can do it using Excel, right? So we have a second, all right, guys. So my team, my deck full of course. So you guys need to ginger me up. Yeah. So I'm going to go to data. This is Microsoft Excel that I am using. This is TeamWorks. Okay. So I am using Microsoft Excel. So this is data. I'll go to get data. Okay. I'll go to get data from Excel. So I have my data downloaded already. This Power BI, this my Excel. I beg go. I don't know why you are already know. It's not today. That's to believe that so I have my data here. Which one then you sent to, okay, is this one. Okay, so I have my data. Wait, it's connecting. Okay, we are connecting our data to our powerful engine in Microsoft Excel. That's what? Power Query. So let's see if we can do this. I don't know why my Excel is hanging. I should just go and use my Power BI. So this is the dirty data that we are using, right? So I'm going to go click on it and click on transform. Now, this is what we call ETL. If you have been using Excel or using Power BI, we have ETL. Now, ETL, it means extract, transform and load. We have extracted the data and we want to transform it to what inside our Power Query. Okay, so that's what we are that's what we are doing. So Power Query is actually a powerful, like big, is a powerful engine, built-in engine. We have it in Microsoft Excel and we have it in Power BI as well. Okay, so let's start. Let's dive into that. Don't take time, take. Now we have transaction ID, and you can all see that we have what? We have numbers here instead of what? Instead of the ID, where we have the ETRX underscore. So I'm going to do what? I will turn this thing. I'll change the data type. Now, when you are working with Excel and you're seeing this AB, not I'm using Excel, so I'll be using the word Excel. And you're seeing A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. It simply means that a data type has not been assigned to this column. So I'm going to assign a data type text. Now, I have two numbers here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I have two numbers here. All right, I'm going to change the data type. I want to change it to what we are using here, and I will use what? The place value. I will use place value. Why is this as a hanging? Now, value to find is what? It's 6. Now, this 6 that we are seeing here, okay, we want to replace it to something unique that others are we have here. So we have 0, 0, 0, 6. Okay. Yeah, so we have 10 here. I'm going to right click and I'll say what? Replace values. And value to find is what? Is 10. We have 10 there. And what are we replacing it with? We are replacing it with 10. So you have 0, 1, 0. B. Okay, so I'll click on okay. So we've settled that. So our customer name is what? Customer name is okay. And then we have our product. Now let's look at this together. If you pay attention, you can see we have some that are capitalized and others. So the first thing I will do here, I'll go to my, oh, sorry about this. I'll go to my transform data and then I'll go to my transform ribbon, and you can see here I have what? I have format, okay? I'll use what? Capitalize each word. So I just capitalize this for each understanding. Now I have what? A word that I know that, come on, this thing is not part of what we are having here. It could be a typo error. So what I will do, I'll right click here and I'll go to my what? Replace value. Now value to find is what? Is that thing that I know that, come on, this is not, okay, so I will do what? I will replace it with what? Laptop. And this is the best way to do that. We have another thing here. Okay, let me just make sure. Okay, that's cool. So now we have this. So now, Sandra did something. I will come to this. I want us to learn something new. I can actually, okay, no. Okay. So Ctrl C. I will just come here. This is 200. I will say what? The base value. Oh, sorry. I've not changed the data type. So I need to give it a text. I'll give it a text. I'll take it back. So I'll say what? Place values and value to find is what? Is text. And I'll replace it with what? 200. I'll replace it with 200, right? And then we have 800. We have 800. And then what are we doing with it? We need to take it, or we need to, give it back to what we are using here. Why is my Excel hanging? Sandra is the one doing this. I don't know. Why
My head
are
is catching you.
What's wrong now? Come on now. What's going on?
Hey, how many minutes more do you have? You still have
Come
time.
on,
15
stop
minutes
that.
more.
No, I have technical issues, right? This is technical issues. You can't count
That
it.
one is
Now
not.
my Excel is hanging. No, wait, you can see it is hanging. It's not moving, okay? I can restart, go back and use my Power BI, right?
Sorry.
So
We don't do that here.
wait, come on now. Why is this thing hanging? What's going on? Oh God, what's going on? I don't know why this thing is hanging. What is wrong with you? Come on. Okay, this is okay. Sandra, this is a technical issue, and I need to start again with Power BI. Okay. It's quite understandable if you agree with me that this is not my fault. you can agree with me that this is not my fault, right? You see, the thing is not clicking. You can see it. We can't stay here. We need to achieve this, okay?
I click it again. Maybe it will click. Just try.
Okay. It's clicking on it again.
Okay.
What's going on? It's
Now your Power BI is opened already.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's loading. So let's just give it some seconds. But if this one is working, we'll
This, yeah, I'm not
continue.
giving anybody $10. I'm not giving anybody any money because
You can't run away from it. You can't run away from it. Okay,
sorry.
so you cannot run away from it. Come on, this is our agreement. I will go home with $10
So
because
actually you're supposed to have 13 minutes more, but I'm just going to
no
pardon you.
now.
Uh-uh.
Okay,
You have
thanks.
15
Okay,
minutes more.
thanks. Thanks.
You
Thank
have
you.
15 minutes more. I'm not going. No.
Thank you. Thank you. My village people, they're trying to get me, but come on now. They cannot get me.
Who is the choosing?
I am a choosing. Oh, I'm a choosing. You excel. Who are you? You Dix Fabia. Who are you? Let me see it again. The first one. Maybe 6 one. You excel. Who are you? You excel. Who are you? God, come on. After me saying that, I'm choosing it says they want to. Excel. I just want to be sure that is the data, so there won't be any issues. Okay, not Dix. You know, you have to later resend it to the one that has the customer's name well structured. They're supporters of Amos. Thank you very much for for always supporting me. Thank you guys. Okay. Thank you guys. I don't know. Sometimes you don't want me to win this $10, but that's not true. That is not true. I am going to, yeah, this is the data. So let's go. You know, we are starting our page. So now we are starting with let's say 650. It's not yet 650, so let's wait for 650. Okay, so
Whether you
let's go
start
now.
6:50 or not, you have 15 minutes more. Okay.
15, it can't be 15 minutes more because I'm starting our page now. It can't be. Are you not choosing again?
You are the choosing one. So let's see what we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, so now I want to take up what this 6 number that I have here. I'm sure that is not my village people that they are choosing members. Beg. Now clues I they catch you. I don't know if they are here. So I'm going to what value to find is 10. Okay. So I'll come here, replace it with 10. Come on. So I have my customer's name well structured. I have this and it's actually looking so good, but then there's something that needs to be done, right? So I'll go to my transform. I'll go to my format. All right, so I want to capitalize each word. So I have this value here that I want to change. So I'll come here because why are we changing it? It's not, it could be a typo error from whoever that worked on the data. So here it's supposed to be what? Laptop. Okay, so I'll click on OK. Just want to be sure that it is fine. So yeah, so this value here, we need to do something here. We need to make sure that this is well structured. But before that, I'm going to change the value to text. So I'll come here and I'll move towards replace value, and then value to find is what is 1200. don't know what's under typo, but then let's get it. Let's get it. So, I guess, yeah, let's go. I'm going to do what? I'm going to the first value, and the value to the first is this, and this is what? 800. 800, yeah. So here, so I have these numbers here. I'm going to change it to text, but then let me come back to this and change it to what? To whole numbers. Where thou are you? So I change this to whole number back because it's actually number. So now this one I change it to text now. I want to do something very fast, so I'm going to capitalize each word. I can even lower it, but then capitalize each word. So that's what is going on here. Yeah, I can know that I'm working with this. Okay, so I'm going to get this number, transform it. So I'll come here, I'll go to reflex. So the value to find is this. I'm going to change it to what? I'm going to change it to 2 because that's actually what it is. So I have this number. So I'll come here. Yeah, come here. Where is it? Where thou are you? So place values. So the value to the first is this. Okay, so and then I'll come here and I'll do what? I'm going to press it with what? With 3. Okay, so here I'll change it back to numbers. So I'll change it back to whole numbers because it's actually a whole number. I don't know why you're giving me that fix, Sandra. So this, right? There's something I actually wanted us to do here. Okay, let me know what's about it. So I'll change it to text. Okay, I'll change it to text. I'll change it to text. I'll come here. Okay, so let's do something. Let's do something using locally. So I'm going to change the data type because what am I doing? This one up big. Okay, so this is text. I'm going to change it to dates, and I'll come here and I'll change it to English United Kingdom. English United Kingdom. Okay. Where is it again? English United Kingdom. So yeah, now why am I changing it to English United Kingdom? Because here in Africa, right, we are using this method. That's what? Date, month, and year. Date, month, and year. So I'm going to do what? I'll click on OK. First of all, I've changed that. Now, if you look at this, you can see that we have errors. Now, there are 2 ways to do this. Now, some people can actually come here and say what? Remove errors. Now, if you do that, you are not getting it right? Because with this, you are going to yank off some values there. Now, why are we having this issue? It could be because of so let's find out why we are having this issue. Okay, something is going on here. Something is going on here. I might just delete this and then correct this before correcting it, taking it back to this. But now let me tell you something. If let's assume that you do this, right? Remove errors. So you are going to remove part of the some tables, some data. And if you load this thing, like if you load it to the Power BI, it will give you have issues with that, okay? But then if you want to correct this, let me tell you something. You can actually go back to find out why. And if you pay attention here, you can see we have what? The dates format here are not the same. Okay, let me look at this. I'm going to cancel this. So I'll come back. I'll just teach this one, right? And I'll proceed because Sandra has done this one. I'll just proceed, okay? Now, if you pay attention here, we have what? Dates. That's first. And months and year. So I can actually change it, come out and do call to see and just replace value, all right? Or if you go back to the original data set where you have this data, if you correct it there, right? And then you come back here, come to this, your data, and then of course come here and go to your refresh and then refresh, or it's going to reflect on this table. It is going to reflect here. Now, why do we have this? She corrected it that time. We have June 31st. There's no 31st of June. We have what? 30th of June. So I'm not going to work on this actually because of my time. Yeah. So I have my what? I have my payment method. Okay. So now what I need to do, I'm going to go back to my transform. I'll go to format, right? I want to capitalize each word. Now, if you pay attention here, you can see we have CC, okay? That CC could be credit card. So I'll come here, right? And then I will come here and I'll say, Oh God. Okay. So I'll say value to find is this. And I'll say what? If it's credit card. Okay. It should be credit card. Okay. So we have this. This is what? Credit card as well. Okay. So I'll come here and I will say value to find is this. And then this, I would call it credit card. Credit card. Okay, so that is small text. Okay, credit card. All right, so let's find out if we have done this. We have cash, we have credit, we have credit card, we have debit card, we have. Now, this credit here should be, if you ask me, I will say that it's credit card, right? It's a credit card. Let's do something. Let's do something. So let's place values. Okay, value to find is credit. Credit, no space. So I'm going to replace it with credit card. Credit card. One day more. So if you pay attention here, guys, we have credit card. Okay, credit card. I beg. So let's just see. I don't know if I have the one. Wait, let's come back. Credit card. Okay, let's do something. So I'm going to come back here, right? And I will come here, advance. I will say, let's use match
So
until
actually, you have
cell.
10 minutes more. Yeah,
I'm
you have 10
coming, I'm
minutes
coming.
more
I'm
to
trying to
go.
get, yeah, I got that.
I just want
Okay.
to
I
remind you
got
that
that.
you have 10 minutes more to go.
Come on, stop.
Okay.
All right, okay, I do. Thanks for reminding me. So I have this, I have to convert it to text. Now I have what? I have NA, right? This is discount applied column. I have this 10 discounts, right? 10 discount is 0.1. 0.10. Yeah, I can come here. Right, this thing here. Okay, so let's do something. I want to turn all the columns to this. I'll come here and I'll say the place values and value to replace to find is what? This 10 discount. I'll place it to 0.1. Okay, or 0.1, 0.001. Still the same thing. Okay, 0.001. That's 10%, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so now we have NA, right? First of all, let me capitalize each word so that I don't have issues with anything. Okay. So we have NA here. That NA, if you ask me what will it be, I'll tell you that this is 0. NA means not applicable, and then it could be 0. Okay. So I'll say, since it's actually a number column, a numerical column, so I'll say NA. I will replace it with what? With 0. Okay. So let me see what we have left. This none should be 0. Okay. Value to find x none, and this is take it to be 0. No discounts. So the no discount should be what? 0. Okay. Sorry. So no discount should be 0. Okay, so we have 10%. All right, so so we have 10%. So this 10% here, base value. So 10%, what should we give 10%? 10% is supposed to be 1. Yeah, and that's our 10%. So we have $5 here. I'm simple. We have $5 here. Okay, this should be 0.05. That's 5% of 5. I don't know. 5, Abby. I what do you think, son? Don't mind me. So I don't know, son. I don't know anything. Yeah, but me, I'm the one doing it. Okay, so let's go. All right. So I will say the value to find is this. Okay. I'm going to change it to what? Something. So and I will change everything to, I can actually change it to decimal, right? Because it's decimal value, or change it to whole number. So let's come back here to data type. I'll change it to I can actually change it to percentage, but let's change it to decimal so that we have it well structured. So here we have region. So we have not. Okay, this one is not well spelled. Okay, no. Let's get it very fast. Let's capitalize each word. So I'll come here and I'll capitalize each word. And I have this. Okay, Control C. I'll come here and I'll say these values. And then value to find these things, and I can categorically tell you that this is a typo error, which is this. So this one too is a problem. Control C. This one too is a problem. So I have this. Where's the values? Value to percentage, it is not. Okay. Jonathan again, east, south. So let me check to make sure. East, north, south, west. Okay. Okay, so here. Okay, so here, if you ask me, right, I will tell you that I can see, look at this, let's look at this together. You can see excellent. You can see that we have two exclamation mark there, right? I can tell you that this thing is typo error. So it should be, if you're having excellent, we should have excellent, right? So I can just make it more, to make it clean, I can just come here, I'll say value to find, and then place it with excellent, like this. Let's clean it first. We should have there. So let me capitalize each words to know what I am doing. So we have good, we have experience. So this experience, right? There is a full stop there. Okay, we need to take it off. We need to yank it off. So I'll come here. Okay, these are the little things actually. If you ask me, I will say that you need to take note of when you are working on your data or data accuracy. Okay, so we have bad, a good, bad experience, excellent, great product. We have okay product, slow delivering. So I can actually decide to change this thing to slow delivering, right? Yeah, I can change it to slow delivering, but then okay, let me change it to slow delivering. Okay. So this I should change it to something like this. Okay. So let me see this thing here. So I'll change it to this. We have this good here. So there is a full stop there. So I need to. So we have good here. And then I can place it with just good, not good dots. Okay, so I don't know. I think that's all for me. I still have some minutes to go. I know. So my time has not allowed. So let's go back to Power BI, guys. Let's go back to Power BI. I think I'm cool with what I have here. Now let's go back to Power BI. So we are going to do close and applied, okay? Yeah. So we are going to do close and apply. So we are going to answer, I must answer one question for what you shared with me. Okay, so the first question is asking us, right? Okay, I've opened my Power Query, so that's Power Query here is affecting my texting. Sorry, on this card. So that's one thing about Excel. When your Power Query is on Microsoft Excel, you cannot work with your normal Excel workbook, okay? You need to close your Power Query in Microsoft Excel before you'll be able to work with your normal Excel, right?
You have 2
Okay,
minutes
so
more.
now.
1 minute, sorry.
Dada.
1 minute more.
I don't know, but Team Moss, are you guys there? So let me check on my team. Let me check on my fans. Team Moss, are you guys there? Don't do this now. Tell me that you're there. Excel is not so. Excel not good. Excel is good though. Yeah, only Excel is good. Excel is a powerful software. Don't no negotiation. Excel is actually good. Okay, so it's not only HDP that is here. Team Mox, how many people are supported me when I started this thing? Nah, Team Mox, are you guys there? Most of them is not supporting me. Don't worry, we'll see in the class. So, Timos, are you guys there? You guys should applaud me.
Hey, your time is
I
up.
tried.
Oh, your time is up.
I tried more
Well
than
done,
Sandra, isn't
anyways.
it? So,
Well done.
many people are supporting you. Okay, you're not
Well
supporting me
done.
so
Well
that I
done.
will not punish you. All
Well
right,
done.
thank you very much for that. And it's
Yeah,
actually an
thank
interesting
you.
something.
Thank
Yeah, I
you.
was on
Thank
a hot
you.
seat for 2 minutes or some for 20 minutes.
For
I
20
really
minutes.
sweat. Yes, no. No,
20
no, no. You know that's one.
minutes.
We did. Okay, 15 minutes.
Let
Okay.
me not even go there. I'm not going to talk about it. I don't know why. Okay, it is fine. It is fine. But thank you all so much. Okay, so you can see that without cleaning this data, we are going to go to who won. Okay, but before we get there, there's one thing you need to know when it comes to okay, so when it comes to data analysis, okay, I saw somewhere that 80% of the time you spend on your data is usually for data cleaning, right? In some cases, it might not be like that, especially if your data did not come in dirty. But if it came in dirty, then my oh my, you're going to spend a lot of time cleaning it. And remember I said that there are people who ask, how do I know what to clean in my data? How do I know if this particular data is dirty? You will know, right? So let's say you have a date column, like what we saw in our data. We have a date column, right? And the way the dates were entered is not correct, or they were not entered, or they were entered correctly. Yes, they were entered correctly, but different formats. We have some as short dates, we have some as long dates. And when you're using these tools like Power BI, Excel, and you want to visualize, so let's say you want to visualize by month, how do you now break it into months? Okay, because if you do not set a particular data type, your data analytics tool will be confused. Like, is this a date? Is this a text? What exactly am I working with here? So you need to standardize the values in your column. So if that column is a date column, if it is short date that you want to make use of short dates only. If it is long dates, make use of long dates only. And when you are doing time series analysis, you are making use of short dates. Okay, when you're doing time series analysis, make sure that you format your dates as short dates, not long dates. Okay, so any questions from the house? So I can see Ashdeep. Ashdeep asks, so Excel not good. Actually, Excel is good, right? Excel is good, but that's also like a valid question, because if Excel was so good, would there be need for Power BI? No, but then Excel is very good. There are some things that Microsoft Excel can do that Power BI cannot do. Each of these tools have their own unique feature that makes them stand out. Okay, so thank you very much, Ashdeep. All right, so do we have any more questions? Any questions before we go into who won? I don't want to get there now. Before we go into who won, do we have questions? I already know who won.
Thank you. Thank you.
It is not you.
I'm good.
Sorry. The choice is not in our hands. So we're going to leave it to the
Okay.
audience to tell us who won. And please be sincere.
No. So
Okay,
guys,
so
any question? Any question? Do you have
yeah.
any question?
Oh, it was looking like French. We're sorry if it was looking like French.
Wait, you did not get that. So what's the what's listed as Sandra won? But due to technical issues, Sandra don't have technical issues, obviously. So did you
Okay,
have
it's fine.
did you have technical issues? Was there any technical issues?
No, I
Right.
think she was like, I think she meant probably maybe you would have won, right? But technical issues. But anyways, almost a day has chosen a winner already. So let's not stress her again. Let's ask other people. Ashdeep, who do you think won? It's our village people, it's not me.
I said most. My people.
It's fine.
You support
So
me.
Adebola, Shidiebele, Akise. Is this a planned word?
T-Max.
Somebody said A. So somebody said A. So we have 2 A's and 2 N's. Okay, so that's fine.
That's great.
But I know, personally, I know that I won. Like, if you have to ask me, I will vote for myself. Okay, but like Omasede said, due to technical issues, right, Amdor would have won. She actually tried. Okay, the fact that she encountered technical issues and she still came back, she was still explaining. I was just looking at her like, please go straight to the point. You don't have much time. Go straight to the point. But well, she's a teacher through and through, so she was still teaching you guys. So well done, Chinyere. Okay, so there is one thing that we want to do before. Thank you so much, Shidiebele. Thank you. It means a lot to me. Thank you. All right, so there is something that I want to ask, okay? So now we've seen, you know, like when you're working with dirty data, you'd ask yourself, who is this person that even entered this data? Like, is this person okay? Is this person normal? I mean, why would you do this? Because the people entering this data, they can stress you as a data analyst or a data scientist, okay? So imagine we are spending, so let's say we have a deadline to meet and we are using like almost 1 hour to clean a particular data. How can we avoid these kind of things? How can we avoid these data inconsistencies? So Chinwe, do you want to go first? How can we avoid these data inconsistencies, especially for organizations, right? Organizations that generate a lot of data. When you generate a lot of data, you don't want to have messy data all the time, especially if the data is large, right? So how can organizations handle these inconsistencies?
Okay, we have an answer. The hardship said something. I don't understand. I just said he went to government school. They study in government school. Who make this data? So what you trying to say is that these people went to Auntie Jack Papa Yo school. That they went to government school, like not private school. Actually, well, I can't say that it's true anyways. So sometimes our background doesn't really matter. It just normal way of life, but then we try not to stay there, right? I've seen people that went to government school and they're still doing excellently well. Right. So HD, not government school.
All right, so can I say something? So something just came to my mind, right?
Okay.
You know, this question I just asked is one of the questions that recruiters ask people seeking data roles. You know, how can our organization benefit from this? You say you know how to do data cleaning. Okay, why do we need data cleaning? So what will you tell them? Right? What will you tell them? Okay, I'm just going to clean your data. No, you have to like tell them why there is need for data cleaning. It will help you in reducing reporting time. So let's say something that is supposed to take you 1 hour, at the end of the day, it ends up taking you probably 5 hours because your data was dirty. So how can organizations, that's the question, right? How can organizations handle data inconsistency? How can they handle data inconsistencies?
Yeah. So for me, I think that what they need to do, right, to ensure that there is in order to have good data consistency, not inconsistency in their data, is to assign whoever that to have data professionals handle their data, right? Because just like Ashley said, well, actually what he said is funny, but then somehow true. Because if I'm not a data professional and I'm handling your data, I can impute anything, okay? And just like what we encounter here, there are some places where we have 0.1%. Some are text, some are numerical values, okay? Imagine having numerical values and text categorical data inside one column is actually a problem. And I believe that if we have data professionals who are responsible for this guy's data, it will help to reduce that data inconsistency. And then it makes the work of whoever that will handle that data, let's say data professional that will analyze the data, it will make their work more easier and of course effective. So this is what I can say for that. And then you can over to you.
Okay, so that's great, right? Like you don't just bring in people to your company, like you need to like test them if they like actually know what they are doing, not because a lot of people actually lie. Yes, a lot of people lie, right? In their CVs, they're lying that I can do this, I can do that. At the end of the day, right? Okay, come and play Battle It with Amdor, and you cannot do it. So, all right. So, they need to actually, sorry. So they need to actually employ people who are good at these kind of things. And what I want to also add to that is that we also need to like, they also need like the organizations also need to like implement strict policies around their data. Okay. And how can they do this? By not giving everyone access to the data. If you start giving everybody access to your data, be rest assured that you're going to have inconsistent data. Because maybe the way Shinyere writes her dates is different from the way I write my own dates. We're going to have inconsistent data all through. So the organization needs to be strict with that when it comes to data access. And also, what are the tools? Yes. So when it comes to this kind of thing, there is one tool that I recommend, which is SQL. Because when you work with SQL, you know that not everyone can just come into your database and put in values, right? Not everybody can do that, except you give them access. Apart from the values, when you have data in your database, your data must be consistent. Because if you try to enter something else, it is going to give you an error. So that is one of the good things about SQL. Okay, so your data journey itself is not complete without the knowledge of SQL. So now I'm talking to the data enthusiasts that we have here. Your data journey is not complete without SQL. Okay, so I think I saw somewhere that SQL is one tool that it's never going to run out of style or go into extinction, because everyone or this world, we keep generating data. So we need people who are good at database administration, okay? People who can help us manage our data exactly, or they can put a standard filter that makes data consistent. Very good. And with SQL, you can do that. Okay, with SQL, you can do that. You can actually set a data type for a column. So if I say that this data type, only numbers should go in, sorry, if I say that this particular column, only numbers should go into this column, and somebody else is coming to put in texts, it won't work. It won't work. All right, so that is it. That is it. I hope you guys had a nice time. And thank you all for staying till this time. All right, so Shinyere, do you have anything else to say?
Not really.
I want to.
Thanks very much.
I want
You
you.
didn't. You know you didn't. No, you didn't. Okay, team. You know what, Team Max? Let's do this thing next week, right? Next week, it's gonna be. I don't know if you had fun, but personally I do, right? We're going to be doing this thing every Wednesday. So you are going to be meeting with us and all that data professionals. And I would like you to be part of it. It's for everybody. It's not just for you, for IANS. And you are going to be seeing other data professionals that will be joining us. Why not? If you are you, I would not like to mix this session because it's actually a place that for you to come and be challenged. Come on, this data someone will give it to you. And normally on the research, you have to spend like an hour cleaning this data. That someone just cleaned the whole data within the space of 20 minutes, right? It simply means that you can do better, right? One of the things, like remember back then, I attended one session somewhere and that session motivated me. It was actually an hackathon, right? And the girl that won the hackathon was, when she was explaining her journey, her tech journey was less than 6 months, and she won a hackathon that a lot of people, data professionals, So I was so motivated. I don't know, but then what I'm saying here is that some of all these sections will be an avenue to motivate you that, come on, I can do better. I am not bad, but then I can, I can become better. And of course, you guys, the in-house students, okay, we're having a session in the next less than an hour, less than an hour, all right? So please, that's another sessions. All these sessions, you don't need to be mixing them because just like I said, it was part of all these things when I was attending them seminars, programs. I got my motivation. One or two, you will really get that thing you're looking for. Okay, so please join us again next year. And I'm very sure that if I call any of you for this battle it out with Amdor, you will not say no, you will. Okay, all right, guys. So we only have Adebola Alade. Adebola, as I don't know if you are here. Are you a tech professional or you've not started your journey? Let's use the word. Have you started your journey? Let's hear from you, Adebola. Adebola, are you there? If you're speaking, we can't hear you, but thanks for joining us and every other person. Please stay blessed. See you guys next week.
Okay, wait. Sorry, before you guys go. Like Chinyere said, okay, so is this battle it out with Amdor? You can see how fun it is, right? This particular data set, although she doesn't trust me, I have not worked on it before. I only sent it to her, but I have not worked on it before. And I wish I actually worked on it before I came here. To go and disgrace myself. All right. So please, next time it can be you. Okay, so very soon, okay, because this is the first episode. In subsequent episodes, we are going to be releasing forms. Okay, so if you're interested, you might just be the one up here in the hot seats, rather, doing this challenge. Okay, so thank you all for coming. And if you are new here, we do hold masterclass sessions. Okay, so check us on YouTube at Amdor Analytics. Okay, we do hold masterclass sessions, insightful sessions. You are going to learn a lot. These are things that people pay big money for, but just go to our YouTube, you will learn a lot. Okay, all right, and make sure that you follow us on our social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. Follow us, we are there, even on Twitter or X. Yeah, it's no more Twitter, it's X now. So we are also there. All right. So thank you very much.
Everywhere. And of course, okay. Hashdeep, over to you.
Yeah, I have a question. Like the session 3 o'clock today, I don't have the Telegram link. Could you share that on the WhatsApp?
No, Hashdeep, you get that when you finish your program. That text was a mistake. It was a mistake, okay? The alumni Telegram is after your program. You join the alumni Telegram. Is that okay?
Oh, okay. So that text was like a message.
It was yes, but I've shared the login details to today's session. I've shared it on your WhatsApp. It's already there.
Oh, okay. So it's on WhatsApp. I was thinking it's gonna be on Telegram. I didn't get the Telegram link. I was confused.
No, we are going to be using Zoom, but the login details I've sent it on your WhatsApp. So check your WhatsApp and join using that. We are going to join the session very soon. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So yeah. So Shidebele asked a question. He did not ask a question. He asked, yeah. So he asked actually, can you
Can you
upload the
upload
dirty
it?
data? Okay. All right. So this video is going to be uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay. And we are going to leave a link to the dirty data so that you can try. Maybe you won't try more than me. All right. And when you are done, please, when you are done, okay, you are still there. All right. I thought you left. Okay. So when you are done cleaning the data, make sure, okay, make sure that you post it, okay? Share it with your network. If you're on LinkedIn, share it with your network. Let people know that you're actually good at what you do. It is not just, I am a data analyst, I'm a data scientist, okay? Show your workings, right? Let us know what you can do. And you can also tag us on our LinkedIn at amdoranalytics.com so that we can see what you were able to do. I know I was not able to finish it. It was because of her. It was because of Shinyeri. I was not able to finish it. All right. So thank you very much for joining me. See you guys next week.
Cheers,
Yeah.
everyone. Good night,
Bye.
guys. Hi, I'm the analytics student. See you guys in the next 30 minutes. Of course, you know you don't need to mix this. Okay? Cheers. I'm also there. Are you there? Mose, did you enjoy
She's
this?
not opening her mic. That's official.
I don't know why she's not opening her mic.
I'm here.